Hi everybody, welcome to NuttX channel. Today I'll talk about a very useful feature supported by NuttX, but few people know it exists. I'm talking about the Lightweight Link, or LWL for short. The LWL is a kind of bidirectional communication between your computer and your embedded board. It is used mainly in two situations: when you are porting a new microcontroller for NuttX and you don't have the UART or USB working yet, but you want to get access to the NuttX NSH or the NuttX terminal. Then using the LWL, you can get access to it even without get the UART peripheral or other communication link between the computer. And the way it works is very easy to understand, but the idea is very clever. Basically, it uses the debugging tools like the GTAG or SWD to read and write a specific position in the microcontroller, RAM memory, and use this communication, this option, to interact with NuttX. So the drive is very simple to implement, but it is very powerful. So let's to show how to get access to it. First, open the Linux terminal, enter inside NuttX space NuttX, execute make dist clean to clear previous configuration. Currently, the LWL is supported only by the ARM microcontrollers, but it can be used by any other microcontroller because it depends only on GTAG or other debugging tools supported by your microcontroller. And of course, you need to implement the LWL driver to your microcontroller, but it is easy to create a driver if you want. So the first step to get the LWL in your ARM microcontroller, in this case the STM32F4 Discovery board, is configuring the board as you used to do. Tools, configure.sh, STM32F4 Discovery /NSH. Execute make menu config to select the lightweight link. Make menu config, system type, and enable lightweight link console support. Because we don't want to use the UART serial, the UART console, we can disable the UART. Go to the peripheral STM32 peripheral support and move down and just disable the UART2. Any other is enabled, so we can exit again, and save. Execute make to compile the source code. Okay, now we need to flash the firmware inside the board. Execute OpenLCD. Okay, this is the command to flash the firmware inside the board. Okay, the firmware was flashed. Now we can reset the board. Execute the OpenLCD, passing only the board name. We don't need to pass any other any other special command, just the parameter, only the OpenOCD and the board we want to use. Okay, it is waiting for the script. Now we can open a new terminal, enter inside NuttX space, NuttX tools, LWL, and we can execute the OCD console. Okay, as you can see, we got the access to the NuttX shell, the NSH. We can type some commands, and for example, I can run free to see how much memory I am using. Okay, only 5 kilobytes. So as you can see, the LWL is very light, it don't use too much memory, and it can be very useful if you are porting a new microcontroller, porting NuttX for a new microcontroller, and also if your board doesn't have UART or USB, or maybe it has UART but we don't have enough pins to use, so we can use this feature to get access to the NuttX terminal. Okay, that is it. I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed to NuttX channel yet, please subscribe. You help to improve this channel, getting subscribed here. And also clicking the bell icon to receive notifications when I post a new video. See you. Bye bye.